Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay everyone, so today I just want to tell you about introduction to routing protocols. So welcome to a short presentations on the basic of routing protocol, the backbone of modern internet connectivity. So the first is, what is routing? Routing is the process of selecting a path within a network to send data packets from source to destination. It is the foundation of how information move on the internet, and routers use routing protocols to communicate with each other, update their routing tables, and determine the best path for data. And why a routing protocol is important? Because efficiency and reliability. Ensure efficiency, look free and reliable data delivery across complex networks. And dynamics adaptations help the networks adapt dynamically to change, such as link failures or new devices. The third is scalable managements. Without routing protocols, large networks would be impossible to manage manually. And then this is the types of routings. There are static routing, dynamic routing, and default routing. For the static routing is routes are manually configured by the administrator, simple for small networks but not scalable and rigid. So static route you have to configure manually by yourself, and routers not automatically to configure the routers. So, and then the dynamic routings is routers automatically discover and maintains router using routing protocols. And then this is flexible and scalable for large network. For the dynamics is you guys just routers will be automatically routings the router, and yeah, that's dynamic routing. And this is for the large networks. And then the default routing is send all unknown destination to the specified next hop, useful for single outbound connections. And then dynamic routings protocol categories. There are distance factor, share routing information with neighbor, use hop count matrix, example like RIP, and link state, share the complete network topology, calculate the shortest path. The example is like OSPF. And then the path factor is used between autonomous system or AS, maintains path in info, example is like BGP. So there are three routing protocols in this slide. There is the first is RIP, routing information protocol. RIP is simple distance factor routing protocol that use hop count as its matrix. Its RIP route sends its entire routing table to all directly connect neighbors every 30 seconds. And then matrix RIP have using matrix hop counts with a maximum limit of 15 hops to prevent routing loops. And networks simple suitable for small network such as LAN, and limitations slow convergence, periodic updates that result in inefficient network traffic and limited scalability. And then for the next is open shortest path first, or OSPF. OSPF is more advanced link state routing protocol designed for a large and more complex network. It collect information about link state and build a network topology map and each router. And OSPF metric uses cost metric based on link speed, then we to determine the best path. And then hierarchical design support hierarchical design with areas improve scalability and reducing routing table size. And then convergence, faster convergence because each router has complete view of the network topology. And then additional features support authentications for security and load balancing. And for the last is Border Gateway Protocol, or BGP. BGP is the path vector protocol used for routing between autonomous system, or AS, on the internet function and internet routing protocol. It is different from intra-domain protocol such as OSPF or RIP. And how routing protocol work together? Routing there are routing internal, routing external, and adaptation dynamics. Routing internal is like EGP. Within an organization, protocol such as OSPF or RIP manage internal routing called interior gateway protocol. Then router external or EGP between organization or ESP BGP manage routing called the exterior gateway protocol. And adaptation dynamics is together these protocols dynamically update routing tables to adapt to change network conditions. This is the conclusion of the backbone of internet connectivity. Essential functions, essential skills, and features scalability. Okay, thank you so much for watching me. I guess that's it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.